Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So let's get started. So if you want to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story, now to do that what you have to do is just simply follow some basic steps. First, open up your Instagram application. After opening up your Instagram, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon and then tap on the three bar icon that is on the top right. After tapping on that, just scroll down and then tap on hide story and live, and you will find hide story and live from option. Make sure that you have selected every single person over here, and after selecting it, now if you'll just go ahead and then upload a story, then no one in your friends will be notified that you have uploaded a story. Now what you have to do is, after doing this, just simply come back, and after coming back over here, you just have to upload your story. Just tap on the your story option, and after tapping on your story, now you can just simply go ahead and then select a story that you would like to upload. And after selecting one, now you will find the arrow which is on the bottom right. Just simply tap on that, and after tapping on that, just simply tap on share, and after tapping on share, just simply tap on add to highlight, and then tap on add. And after tapping on add, now what will happen is, after adding this story to your live, no one in your stories or friends will be displayed that you have added it, but it will be in your highlights. So that's it guys, this is how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.